Hi, Matadors. Welcome to my office.
Hey, are you okay? Yeah, looks like it's a cramp. Don't worry, we got you. Hey, are you okay? Yeah, people slip on these all the time. Looks like you might have a little cut. Don't worry, we got you. Hey, are you all right? Yeah, it looks like you might have missed that last jump and hit your head. Do you know where you are? Don't worry, we got you. Hey, are you okay? Don't move. What do you think it is? Yeah, I agree. Okay, you call 911. You go get the splint bag. You go get the first aid kit. Hang tight. Don't worry, we got you. Oh, hey, how's it going? Yeah, can I help you? Ice? Yeah, we got some ice. How about some rice? We got you. Yeah, of course there's a stretch for that. Yeah, there's definitely a stretch for that. There's definitely a stretch for that. Well, that one, just like this. Hey, yeah, as requested, here's your strength program for the next couple weeks. Yes, here's your diet program for the next couple weeks. And here's your flexibility program for the next couple weeks. Good luck, we got you.
Even without Matador athletes competing on campus, 2020 still put my skills to the test. Nursemaid's elbow, bloody nose, appendectomy, shaking hands with a lawnmower, even a foot meeting the wrong end of a rake. Through it all, we continue to learn, we continue to practice on ourselves, knowing that if we can take care of ourselves, we can definitely take care of others.